This brand is a part of Rheem Manufacturing, which is a subsidiary of Paloma Group. The units are made in Mexico and sold in the USA through online stores. They feature simple sill technology, which allows the window to be opened even with the unit installed, and use coated coils for corrosion control. The Chill Premier inverter models are for cooling only and have a 15.1 EER efficiency thanks to their use of environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant and inverter compressors. They have a noise level that is about as quiet as a library thanks to their Quiet Master technology, which includes heavy-duty insulation, stiffened sheet metal construction, and counterweights to dampen vibration. The units are Wi-Fi enabled and have automatic swing louvers for good air circulation throughout the room. The Kuhl Smart series units use R410A, which is not as good for the environment, and are available in cool only, KCS, electric heat, KEQ, and heat pump, KHS, models. They can be controlled with voice commands as well as through a smartphone, and feature carbon filters for odor control as well as standard washable filters. They offer an optional MERV 13 filter that can improve the overall air quality in the home. The Chill Premier Smart series has all the features of the Chill Premier series but offers units in cool only, CCF, units as well as those with electric heat, CW, combined with voice command control. The WallMaster Smart series offers cool only, WCT, electric heat, wet, and heat pump, WHT, models that use rotary compressors and R32 refrigerant. The guarantee on the units is about average for the industry. Shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.